Hello everybody, so today I got here is a nice Hot Wheels. This is the ambulance version. Okay, so this car model is 2022, just so you know. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and here's the collectibles 5 out of 10. And then this is what the car looks like, so that's pretty cool. Nice. And then that's what it says at the bottom. It says HW Rapid Response Vehicle. So yeah, this is a pretty cool Hot Wheels collectible. Alright, so here's the back. This is what it looks like. So that's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out and I want to show it to you guys up close here. Alright, so here we go. Oh, like I said, I probably should have got my knife. That's alright, I'm going to do that now. Oops, come on. There it goes. Alright, so I got the car out. So that's pretty nice. Nice little red vehicle. So everything is pretty much red. Ambulance, so that's pretty cool. You can just see the see-through of the vehicle, so that's cool. Yeah, this is not bad. Not bad at all. Nice little ambulance car. And just so you know, if you look at the bottom here, there's definitely markings of your vehicles. It tells you what type of car they are too, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, what's this on the side? It looks like a bunch of stickers and everything, so that's cool. And they got the lights up here, the 2 lights, that's nice. And then, yep, other than that, it's a pretty cool vehicle. Not bad. But, yeah, this is probably a cool ambulance vehicle here for you today. So I think that's pretty much it today in this vehicle, and I want to say thanks for watching.